Guys, so here we are with the final question for this exercise, which is exercise 4.4. So it's asking here to give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equals to 0 as an equation in one variable. Okay, 2x plus 9 equals to 0 in one variable. Now we know linear equation in one variable, it has the standard form of ax plus b equals to 0, right? And what is it represented as? Finally, x that we solve for is actually minus b by a. What is x representing here? Isn't this x actually a point? A point on number line? Yes, it is. So, same situation. 2x plus 9 equals to 0. If you solve for x, one gets minus 9 upon 2. Well, minus 9 upon 2 has a very precise and accurate location on the number line, which is minus 4.5, isn't it? We know negative numbers are to the left of 0. So if you just draw a number line as a rough sketch, negative 1, negative 2, and so on, you will have, let me just draw a couple of numbers. There you go. So negative 4.5, isn't that exactly here in between 5 and 4? There you go. That is x is equal to negative 4.5 is here, right? So we are just taking the help of this variable x in order to find where is minus 4.5. Yes. So yes, there you go. This is how the representation of 2x plus 9 equals to 0, which is an equation, in one variable would look like. It would look like a point on this number line. So answer to the first one is a point, which is minus 4.5. Well, what about the second one in two variables? Now, if you look at the same equation in two variables, we also know that the standard form of a linear equation in two variables is the following: ax plus by plus c equals to 0. If you quickly compare it with the standard form, a given equation, you can easily find out the coefficients of x and y, isn't it? And also the constant term. Well, this is not the question they are asking. They are asking that how would this equation in two variables, this one, 2x plus 9 equals to 0, this one would look like in two variables. Well, in two variables, we know it is actually a Cartesian plane. X variable being any possible number along x-axis, y variable being any variable along the vertical y-axis, isn't it? So, we just need to have a very clear understanding of this. If you again solve it for x, we'll get the same thing, minus 9 upon 2. Minus 9 upon 2 is nothing but minus 4.5. Well, if I just start plotting that, let's say negative x values are to the left, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 is here, minus 5 is here. So minus 4.5 actually is a point in between negative 5 and negative 4, isn't it? So actually this represents it simply represents a line passing through the point x is equal to minus 4.5, right? So this is x is equal to minus 9 upon 2. And if you just rearrange it, it's nothing but 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 2x plus 9 equals to 0. So basically 2x plus 9 equals to 0 in two variables would be looking like a line, right? It is actually, yes, a line. Okay, for the second part. And for the first part, it was a point. It was a point on the line. And in the second part, it is a line on the plane, on the Cartesian plane. So guys, I hope it's very, very clear with everyone.